Summary. In a bustling city, Sarah, a young graphic designer, finds herself overwhelmed by her fast-paced life and mounting stress. Despite her success at work, she feels a nagging sense of unfulfillment and disorganization. One day, while browsing through a quaint bookstore, she stumbles upon a journal with a simple, yet compelling, prompt on the cover: "Write your way to clarity." Curious, Sarah decides to adopt the habit of daily journaling. Each evening, she dedicates just 10 minutes to reflect on her day, jot down her thoughts, and set her intentions for tomorrow. Initially, it feels like an insignificant task, but gradually, the habit starts to reshape her life. She discovers patterns in her thoughts and feelings, finds creative solutions to her problems, and gains a new sense of clarity and purpose. As Sarah continues journaling, her relationships improve, her work becomes more fulfilling, and she develops a deeper understanding of herself. The once chaotic life starts to align with her true desires and goals. Her friends notice the positive change and ask her about the secret behind her newfound calm and focus. With a smile, Sarah shares the impact of her simple daily ritual, illustrating how a habit as small as journaling can indeed transform one's life.